Welcome to OLevels Economics Unit 3. Opportunity cost. Every choice we make comes with a trade-off. Opportunity cost is the value of the best alternative we give up when we make a decision. Think about it. If you spend an hour studying economics, you're sacrificing the chance to hang out with friends or work a part-time job in that same hour. Schools face this too. They can't teach every subject because classrooms and teachers are limited. This scarcity forces us to prioritize, and that's where opportunity cost comes in. Let's break it down with examples. Imagine you have $20 to spend. You could buy a new book or go to the movies. If you choose the book, the opportunity cost is the fun experience of the movie. Now, think bigger. Governments must decide between funding healthcare or education. More spending on schools might mean fewer hospitals. Every decision has a hidden cost, the next best option you didn't choose. As consumers, we face opportunity costs daily. Suppose you're comparing two laptops. One has better performance, the other is cheaper. Choosing the faster laptop means losing out on savings, and vice versa. The closer the alternatives, the tougher the choice, because the opportunity cost of either option feels significant. For workers, opportunity cost plays a key role in career decisions. A teacher might have the skills to be a civil servant. If government jobs start offering higher pay or better benefits, the opportunity cost of teaching increases. Some teachers might switch jobs, proving that wages and working conditions directly impact these trade-offs. Businesses constantly weigh opportunity costs. A farmer using land to grow wheat can't use that same land for soybeans. A car factory producing sedans can't simultaneously make SUVs in that space. Companies aim for the most profitable option, but they must consider demand, production costs, and what they're giving up. Governments face perhaps the toughest trade offs. Tax money spent on defense can't fund education. If they raise taxes to spend more, the opportunity cost shifts to citizens who now have less to spend or save. There's no free choice. Every policy has an unseen cost. Finally, not all goods have opportunity costs. Economic goods, like smartphones or cars, require resources, so producing them means sacrificing other goods. But free goods, like air or sunlight, have no opportunity cost. They're abundant and don't require trade offs. So, why does opportunity cost matter? Because it teaches us that every decision has a consequence. Whether you're a student, worker, CEO, or politician, understanding trade offs leads to smarter choices. Next time you pick between options, ask, what am I giving up? That's the power of opportunity cost. Thanks for watching.